Hello learners, in this tutorial I am going to explain how to connect Power BI desktop with the Azure Blob Storage. So first of all we will see how to create a blob storage in the Azure storage, and we will upload sample Excel file into that blob storage. Already I have created the Azure storage file, so I will open this storage. Then if you click on the storage browser, you can see different type of containers and the storage types. So mainly blob storage, file shares, tables and queues. So I'm going to upload my Excel file into the blob storage. So under blob storage you can see there is no any blobs. So first of all I will create a container in this blob storage. So to add a container, I will click on this add container button. So click on that add container button, and I will give the container name as the Excel, and the public access level is private. So later you can enable for the public. Okay, click on the create button, then you can see successfully created the storage container. Okay, then I will show you how to upload my Excel file into that Excel blob storage. To upload that one, you can select this blob, then you have to click on the upload button like this. Then you have to browse your file in your local drive. In my case I have the sample Excel file, it is sales store. That Excel file I'm going to upload into the blob storage, so you can select and open that file. So that file is already exist with that, you can overwrite. So this is a fresh file, so I'm not going to overwrite, so simply I will upload into the blob storage. Okay, then I can close this one and close. You can see this Excel file is available. You can see the URL and other informations, the metadata you can get from that, and also you can get the URL as I said earlier. Okay, now we have that Excel file in the blob storage. Now I will show you how to connect that Excel file with the Power BI desktop. For that you have to open your Power BI desktop file, then you have to go to that get data button and select that drop down and click on the more button. After that it will pop up the separate window for the get data. It will take few seconds. So you can see under Azure there is a storage called Azure Blob Storage. So you have to click on that Azure Blob Storage menu, then click on the connect button. Okay, so then it will ask the blob storage URL in the next window. So then we have to take our blob storage URL. So to get that URL you have to click on this Excel file, and you have to copy this URL from here. Okay, after that you can go to this URL area and right click on the paste. Then you can see my Excel file name is there at the end. So you have to remove that Excel file like this and only give the blob storage URL. Then click on the OK button. Once you click on the OK button, it will populate this window. So you have to click on the transform data button. Yeah, after that you can see my Excel file has uploaded into the Power BI query editor. Then you have to click on this combine files button. Okay, please remember you have to click on this combine file button, then evaluating the query and connecting to the, it will connect to the Excel source. Okay, you can see all the sheets of this Excel workbook list under this combined file window. Okay, so you can see all the data you can see in this combine file option. Then you can click on the OK button. Now you can see that Excel sheet data will be loaded to Power BI desktop file. Now you can see that Excel sheets data has been uploaded into the Power BI desktop like this. Okay, now I think you have clear understanding about how to connect Power BI desktop with the blob storage. So if you have any questions, you can put your questions in the comment section. Thank you.